Actress Laura Haddock is not too shabby, as she relaxes away from Downton Abbey. The 36-year-old posed in black swimwear, a far cry from the buttoned-up costumes of the hit TV period drama. 6. Laura Haddock is not too shabby in black swimwear, as she relaxes away from Downton Abbey. 6. Actress Laura strikes a poseCredit, Getty. 6. Laura plays newcomer Myrna Dalgleish in the second spin-off from the TV series Credit, Splash. She plays newcomer Myrna Dalgleish in Downton Abbey, A New Era. The film, the second spin-off from the TV series, is due to be released in cinemas on Friday, April 29. Laura is an English actress. She was born in Enfield, London, on August 21, 1985, but was raised in Hertfordshire. At age 17, Laura left school and moved to London to study drama. She trained at Arts Educational School in Chiswick. Laura got her first TV role in 2008, starring in television pilot +1. Laura went on to star in The Palace, My Family, The Color of Magic, Marple, A Pocket Full of Rye and Honest, where she played the lead role of Casey Carter. She also starred as Zoe in the Netflix thriller White Lines. 6. Downton Abbey, A New Era is due to be released in cinemas on Friday, April 29. Credit, Getty Images, Getty. 6. Laura got her first TV role in 2008 starring in television pilot +1 Credit, AFP or licensors. 6. Laura was born in Enfield, London and raised in Hertfordshire. Credit, Getty Images, Getty.